Hi, this is Saroj Srivastava, and now I'm going to describe something new today. I have got some new topic today, and the topic is that is related to your very common life. I'm going to talk about the gift. Describe a gift that you recently gave to someone. So I'm going to describe a gift that I just recently gave to someone. So the first question arises is that who you gave it to. So this was one of my students' birthday, and we recently celebrated the birthday. Recently, that means on the 2nd of the October. So today is the 4th of October. So we recently just celebrated one of my students' birthday there in my institute, because he just wanted to celebrate his birthday with us. So I also just agreed, and he just arranged all the things. I also supported, and all the students, some other students whom they were invited, they also supported him and arranged everything on that day. So I just gave it to one of the students, that gift. I will tell you what kind of a person he is. He is a nice person. He is a nice students, like all other students. They come here for studying, and they come here for in my ESL Institute of spoken English in Balrampur. They just come here for getting trained the language, the English language. That is the second language for them. So I just trained them, and his behavior is nice. He's average mind IQ's brother student, and he's trying hard to achieve his goal of speaking. Like, he is a beginner's level of the speaker, I would say that, because he is trying hard, and sometimes he fumbles also while speaking. So I always recommended him the very beginning classes. If he has the time, so he should do, and he should join the very beginning classes, because the beginning classes are the most important thing for making the base of any students. So the next question arises, what the gift was. Yes, I was thinking the same thing, and like you guys are thinking that what gift I just gave him, and what the thing that I just gifted him. So it was a very simple diary. And now you were thinking that why I gifted him only the diary, because diary, guys, the diary is the most important thing in the student's life. Diary and notebooks are the very important thing in any student's life, because students are the student or the creature who they only have one work, and the work is studying. And if they get distracted by any way, like by any music, by any party, by any other things, so what will happen with their career? It can make a huge difference on their career. So I want them always to be connected with the studying, to be connected and to be attached with the studies. So I gifted him, and I also instructed him to write something every day, and share like a personal diary, and try to write everything in English. So he just agreed, but I don't know if he will work. I hope that he will definitely work on it, and he will definitely share everything, not everything but something on the diary in English. And if he will try, I would support him all the way. So the next question arises, that what occasion the gift was for. I told you already the gift, and the occasion was at his birthday. That's why I just gifted him that diary. I just got it packed in the morning. It was the 2nd of October, and it was the time 10:30. So there were no shops open, the gift shops open in the early morning. So I had to wait for opening the shop, and at 11:30 I went to the shop that is situated near to me, and I purchased that. And after purchasing that, I just came, and while the party was going to start, so I already just gifted him the diary. And the next question, I explained why you choose that gift. The same question I'm going to tell you that I chose that diary because that was the notebook. And if somebody is going to get some new notebooks, so that person should only work on that notebook, and he should share everything. He should be attached with the studies. Sometimes it happens that many of the students, they come to me they have only, they have done their studies, and they have passed 4 and 5 years after they are coming to me. And when I just try to train them, I find them it's very hard. I find them very hard to teach, because they are out of touch for the 5 and 6 years long. So it's not a small amount of time, it's a very huge amount of time. And if somebody is out of touch for long 5 and 6 years, so it is very difficult to teach them, because the minds already got distracted for the long period of time. And if you are going to tell something on the intermediate level, like if they have passed graduation and they just also just skipped 5 and 6 years, and they spend 5 and 6 years without getting in touch the studying, so you will also find it difficult. So I only always recommend them be in the touch of the studying, because this is the only way out of their spoken classes. If they have come here to learn something, to speak English, so they need to be in the touch of the spoken and in the studying. So many things they can do. So it was a small topic I wanted to describe and share. You are listening to the ESL English Radio. You can access more audio blogs by accessing and by just opening the website eslcafeblp.blogspot.com, and here you can find lots of exercises, lots of writing skills, lots of comprehension exercises online. It's absolutely free, and you can also get some huge benefit of that if you will do it regularly. So thank you for listening to me. It was all for today, and we will meet in the next blog. And for today, have a nice day and have fun. Bye bye.